Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for January. It's this cute little, kind of like tie-dyed bag. The first item came outside the bag because it didn't fit in there, and this is by Hip Dot. And it's just a little brush. Super cute. I like the little ombre coloring there. And then inside, you have a card. This month and year, make time for the things that make you smile. Set that aside because it does list the products, and we'll look at that at the end. First thing I'm pulling out is by Origins, and this is an oil-free energizing or energy boosting gel moisturizer. That's awesome. I'll definitely use that. Also have, looks like a little eyeshadow palette. Edit and Flash eyeshadow duo. That's really pretty. One super shimmery, and one just has a little bit of shimmer. Very nice. Next up we have Honey Jarrett. This is a lip sleeping mask in lemon honey. I like the container, super cute. Does definitely smell like lemon. And the last item, I think this is the one that I picked. This is Tarte Ultra Creamy. This is Shape Tape Concealer. Haven't tried this, so very excited for this sample. Love Tarte products. So looking at the card again, tells you more information about it, tips, and all the details on there. So that is what I got for my January bag. If you guys would like to subscribe to Ipsy, I have a link below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.